Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Crosshair on the Splitgate PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitgate game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to customize your Crosshair, then simply click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then click on Settings, and then you will need to go into the UI settings from the top section. After you click on UI, you can scroll down and you will see the Crosshairs section. You can choose your default crosshair color as well as the color for when it touches the enemy. Tap on whichever one you wish to customize, and now this will open up the color value chart where you can define the RGB values to customize and choose your desired color. Go ahead and choose whichever value or color that you wish to set. And once you are done, you can also choose the design of your crosshair. Click on the drop-down menu for each of the weapon categories, and now you can choose from the list of various different crosshair styles. After making your selection, make sure to save your changes by clicking on the Apply button. And after it is done, you can go back and start enjoying your game with your customized crosshair right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your crosshair and its color on the Splitgate PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.